name is Vikram Polavarapu. I am a Senior Engineering Manager for Engineering Automation of Website and various other IT systems. I got fascinated with drones and their utilization in various sectors and intended to pursue more about drones and UAVs. While doing that, I went for RPC training and found that there is a training course for repair and maintenance of drones at Marut Academy, and I immediately enrolled myself. This drone maintenance and repair course involves a lot of areas of drone and drone flight management, basic electronics, mechanical assemblies, battery management, the propulsion systems involved in raising the drones. Then you have the drone software, which is a big part of the entire system. Then drone mechanical and electrical assemblies involve a lot of small intricate parts that each one has to know and to do it perfectly for a stable and successful flight, otherwise there are crashes. While doing this, people learn the electronic skills of soldering, using all the technical tools meant for electronics. Then there are things like fault diagnosis, error prevention, prevention of crashes and prevention of malfunctioning. All these are learned here in detail, which helps to protect the assets over long term, because drones are very expensive flights and should be treated very carefully and precariously. I intend to work with drones for long distance surveillance of large campuses, integrating IoT with drone flights and making a viable system.